I'm Ollie the Owl, and I'm here to help you learn your ABCs. Now let's start with the letter A. A says ah, as in apple. I see some of you are having trouble. Let's try something different. Imagine the letter A is an acrobat balancing on a tightrope. It goes ah, ah, ah as it wobbles. That's it. Let's bring these letters to life. B is a big, bouncing bear that goes ba, ba, ba. C is a curvy cat that purrs ka, ka, ka. D is for dog. Can you hear it go da, da, da as it dashes around? E is for elephant. Listen to its trunk go eh, eh, eh as it sprays. F is for fox. Watch it sneak around with a quiet th, th, th sound. Wonderful job, everyone. You've learned 6 letters already. Let's take a break and we'll continue our magical ABC adventure soon. Who? By using our imagination, we can make learning fun. D dances like a dog, da da da. E stretches like an elephant's trunk, eh eh eh. F flutters like a fairy, fa fa fa. Can you see how much easier it is when we play with the letters? G growls like a gentle giant, ga ga ga. A hops like a happy hippo, ha ha ha. I ices an igloo, ik. You're all doing so well. Let's keep going. J juggles jelly beans, ja ja ja. K kicks like a kangaroo, ka ka ka. L licks a lollipop, lo lo la. Look at how much you've learned already. Slithers like a silly snake, sa sa sa. T tiptoes like a tiny tiger, ta ta ta. U goes up like an umbrella, Hoo hoo, look at how far we've come. V vrooms like a roomy vacuum, va va va. W wiggles like a worm, wah wah wah. X marks the spot like a pirate's treasure map. KS, KS, KS. Just 2 more letters to go. Yawns like a sleepy yak, ya ya ya. And Z zips like a zooming zebra, zoo zoo zuh. Hooray, we did it. We've learned all our letters and sounds. Remember, learning is always an adventure when you use your imagination.